Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to create a Altenen account. To create a Altenen account, first click on browser. Go to altenen.com, altenen.com. Click on register. Enter your email. Click on go. Altenen has sent you an activation email. Check your email for the link. Click and go. Enter your username. Enter the verification code you got through email. Create a new password. Your new password should be combinations of upper and lower cases, numbers and special characters. Retype your new password. Enter your email. Retype your email. Enter the captcha shown on the screen. Click on complete registration. Now your account has been successfully created. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.